Hi everybody, I am so excited to share with you today my brand new completed Graphic 45 Imagine mini album. Now if you are subscribed to my channel, you may have seen all the little sneak peek videos that I have been posting for the past several days, but this is the complete full album that I'm going to flip through now. So this album measures about 7 3/4 by 8.5. It has a 2.5 inch spine on the left and a 2 5/8 inch spine on the right. Now this is a cover that I have designed and cut on my laser. It is available for purchase. It is the cover, the Imagine title, and all of the chipboard pieces that I've used to decorate this. So if you want to follow my tutorial and make this album, you can purchase the album kit to do so. However, if you just want to purchase the tutorial and use your own chipboard, you can do that. You don't have to actually purchase the cover. The cover is special though, so it has these roses cut out of the spine, and then there are the chipboard roses put in back inside. And then on the other spine, I have butterflies cut out, and same thing, the butterflies are laid in there. And the back here is just that paper. Now I did use some gold metallic cardstock to really pop these images. And hopefully you can see here all of this texture on the front cover. I'm gonna bring this a little bit closer, trying to show you all the different stuff. So I've got these micro beads here on the roses. And then I've got, not sure if you can tell, it doesn't really pick up as easily on camera, but I used a metallic gold jelly roll pen, and I've gone over a lot of the details on the cover and on the inside of the album just to give it some shine. Now I did use some metal gears here. These are from Scrap and Create. All the papers are available on the Scrap and Create website. They'll be linked in the description box below. And all the other products that I've used, like these metal corners and some of the Graphic 45 keys that are in the album, everything is available on the Scrap and Create website. So check out all the links below in the description box to purchase all those products. Opening up to the inside, we have one of the stickers here. I like that this collection, the 8x8 and the 12x12, both had sticker sheets, so there were lots of stickers to choose from. Hopefully you can kind of see, I think you can kind of see the shimmer on this butterfly. I did use that jelly roll pen and just went over some of the stuff to give it a little bit more detail. So I do have a mat here in the front pocket, and this album will hold about 48 full-size 4x6 photos, but if you're doing smaller photos, you can place plenty more photos in it. So throughout the album, there are these chipboard pieces. Like I said, it does come with the cover. If you don't want the cover, but you just want to purchase the chipboard pieces, those are also available in my Etsy shop, so everything is linked below. This is one of the charms from Scrap and Create that you'll get if you purchase the papers. This opens up, it is magnetized, room here for a photo, and then here it opens up and then opens up one more time. And on this one, we do have a pull-out photo mat, room for 2 photos there. And there's plenty of space in here in these pockets that you could add more photo mats if you choose to do so. Now in each of these pocket pages, there is a photo mat. I've only put a strip of paper and a sticker on each side of my photo mat, but there actually was enough paper left over that I could have covered this entire surface if I wanted to do so. I just chose not to. On the back of page 1, we have one of the Graphic 45 keys. I've got some of my chipboard gears layered up here, and I did use some pearls. I have a set of gold pearls. They're pink, gold, and cream in my Etsy shop. I will link those in the description box below as well. Got a photo mat here behind this belly band. Plenty of room where you could put more photo mats behind there too. Then this opens up this direction. We've got here, I took one of these stickers and made it into a journaling card, and then I've got my photo mats. You could place your photos on both sides of that, or you could just place your photo on one side. Then this opens up again. Room here for a photo. You could do some journaling there. Lots of big spaces. Then we have another photo mat here. And then this is a pocket that you could place more photos in. On page 2, we've got one of those charms from Scrap and Create, 2 of my chipboard pieces with some pearls. This is magnetized, it flips down. And then this flips up. This is open here, I believe. Oh, it is not. I thought I left it open for the photo to slide underneath. Then these two flaps flip open. And then I have a photo mat here tucked in. You could place another photo on the page here or multiple photos, or you could add more photo mats. In this pocket, there is another photo mat. Again, just with the strips of paper and stickers. On page 3, we have the hot air balloon charm. We've got some of the gears and the butterfly chipboard with some of the pearls. This is tied closed. This is graphic 45 ribbon. And this is a waterfall. So we've got several flaps here. And so you can place photos. You could place a photo over this if you want, but I do like to see some of the decorative papers. So I do also leave some of those in and place photos around them. Here in the pocket, we've got another photo mat. And then in this pocket, we do have one photo mat. And again, there's plenty of room here. You could place photo on the page, or you could add more photo mats, or just stick some pictures in there. On page 3, we do have one of those graphic 45 keys dangling here. 2 of my chipboard roses with some of the pearls in the center. This is magnetized, it opens up. Then this opens up as an envelope, and I have a card booklet. These are open so the photos will slide behind it. You can place a photo on the back as well. And this is a pretty deep pocket, so more photo mats or booklets will fit in there. Then this opens up again, room for larger photos. So you could put 5 by 7 photos here if you wanted to, or you could put some smaller photos. In this pocket, there is another photo mat. Again, just that strip of paper and my stickers. For the back of page 3, we have the rose charm here from Scrap and Create. I've layered up some of my gear chipboard with some of the pearls, and then my butterfly with some pearls. This is a pocket with a photo mat. And then this flap is magnetized. It flips up, room for a photo. And then this little one flips down, and then these 2 side flaps flip open, room for more photos. Now I left this completely open just because I think the paper is so pretty. So you could place photos in here, you could put your photos on the page, you could put photo mats in here, and they would stay once all of these flaps were closed too. On page 4, we have one of the butterfly charms from Scrap and Create. I've used several of the gears, chipboard pieces here, and the pearls. This is magnetized, so this slips open this way, room for some photos there. Then this ribbon closure holds the page closed, so this flips up, room for a photo. And then underneath the belly band, I have one photo mat here, but again, there's plenty of room where you could place more photo mats underneath there if you needed more photo space. In this pocket, we have the final photo mat, so again, those strips of paper and those stickers. For the back of page 4, I have one of the graphic 45 keys. I've got one of the butterflies and chipboard pieces with some of the pearls. This is magnetized. This here is a pocket with one photo mat in it, but you could place more in there as well. Then this flap opens up, room for photos. This is open, and then this is also open. Flips out again, room for photos. And then I do have one of the little stickers that I made into a journaling card just tucked in there. Now on the back cover, we just have a pocket with a photo mat. Again, it's got some of that gold metallic jelly roll pen on it. This is open in the back, so the photo will slide underneath it there. And this pocket will hold several more photos. You could also place photos on the page. And then I do have some little pearls here on this sticker piece. And then the back cover again is just that really pretty rose paper. So this is it. This is my graphic 45 Imagine mini album, and I am so happy with how this turned out. I hope you enjoy it too. Don't forget, if you are interested in making your own album, The chipboard cover and the embellishment set is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, linked below. There are extra chipboard sets too for the gears, for the roses and the butterflies. If you wanted to add even more to this, you can. Everything's linked. And also don't forget to check out the Scrap and Create website where you can purchase the Graphic 45 papers, the 12 by 12, the 8 by 8 papers, the Graphic 45 roses, the Graphic 45 corners, and the Graphic 45 keys, as well as some of the other products that they sell if you're looking for other things. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.